Okay, guys, I know that you both don't get along, but now it's time to change that. So help me save this wedding and go catch that bride, okay? And bring her back here.
This is a test of the National Emergency Alert System. This system was developed by broadcast and cable operators in voluntary cooperation with the Federal Emergency Management Agency, the Federal Communications Commission, and local authorities to keep you informed in the event of an emergency. If this had been an actual emergency, an official message would have followed the tone alert you heard at the start of this message. No action is required.
You expect me to assist you after what you've done to this hotel?